You'll know. Hilo, get down.
Better than lost.
Sorry, Papa. Sorry, Papa.
No, it's 3 o'clock.
Yo. Hello. What's up? Oh, shit. Okay. All right, man.
Not still staticky.
No.
Okay. I'm trying to find my freaking microphone and stuff for this crap.
Oh.
And you can't find it.
Come in.
Hey, what's that?
Come in, Eddie.
Trying to find an entry here. I'm not going to do anything right now.
What up? Good, bro. This shit's so fire. You want to smoke a blunt?
Yeah.
Oh, you get a haircut? No.
Oh,
Yeah, let me know. Let's do it. Yo, today your accounts, you get it. You get your thing today. Do you want to take a dab or smoke a blunt? Oh shit. No me. Oh yeah, cause the thing. Yeah. Oh shit, bro. Bro, that's gonna be dope, dude. Well then here, I'll wait. Yeah. This.
No need no cold. Look
Look at this. It's Jack Herrera. Like, yeah.
You want to that one?
Yeah.
That's what I'm learning.
So look, I think it's gonna go fill the gap.
To the bottom.
Yeah. To the gap, and then to that opening, that dotted line, and then it's gonna I think it's gonna go. I think it's gonna go. I think it can go back up. Yeah. But I'm not sure yet. Ah shit. Good. Going slower. Told you. Everyone loses at first because they just want to be rich quick.
And turn on.
Yeah. Yo, Matt, one of the artists that I managed got signed to Cutting Heads Records, which is like the biggest house music record label.
Oh, it's awesome, dude.
They're literally going to be famous. Like, they're literally going to be famous.
That's sweet. So you
And then
were like promoting them or what?
I manage them. So I manage like all the shit they do. Look here, bro. So look. These shorts are taken out, so this I think it's gonna bounce. It's either gonna come down here and bounce, or it's gonna bounce right around here. Maybe right into here, maybe. My order book isn't working. I'm trying.
But you see here like a touch, like when you go to 50 or 60 and it touch.
What are all those lines? I don't know which ones. I don't know which ones they are.
Like the support line here, you know,
Okay.
like
Yeah.
go down like here, you know,
Yeah.
and this is would be a good trade here.
That would have been a good trade. Yeah. It's okay if you don't. But yeah, it's okay if you don't take a trade. That's the thing. That's what I think you're learning too. Like, you don't have to take every trade. It don't matter.
No.
When you're right supporting your
He said, yo. What?
I'm supporting the system.
I usually draw the support and resistance based off like the 15-minute or the hour. I don't use the 30-minute. I don't know why. Yeah. No, nothing bad. I just don't use it.
I think anything past 15 minutes is usually like swing trading. I mean, for swing traders, it's not really for futures.
I mean, I use it to draw my my like liquidity sometimes. I mean, you still want to look at the hour.
Like the liquidity with 15 minutes too.
I do 15 minutes for almost everything. Sometimes the hour for liquidity. And I mean the daily. I look at the daily because that's how you determine your intraday bias. Like, I look at the daily to find like, okay, are we going to attack these lows? Are we going to attack these? Yeah. Here's some. You can put this in the bowl if you want.
Man, it's a part.
You just got to clear it out because there's just junk in the bowl. Yeah, will you throw this away? Thank you. Well. You just want to hit the blunt instead? Okay.
Well, the S&P is trying to drop, so I think.
Get to that shit now, huh?
Mm-hmm.
A little divergence.
You're sure into it.
Well, there's not really seeing too much here, like except down here, but that's these look very confused.
You want a liquidity?
This is a big. This is a support or a supply zone.
So like a liquidity and them and demand.
Yes, sort of.
Right for what?
This from here. There's a.
This one.
And that's the same thing.
There's one.
Yeah. Oh fuck! I looked away. Damn! It just ripped. So like I said, it's gonna come off here or off here. That's your trade right there. Now it should come up into this area.
Is that your VWAP right there? That blue
Which one?
on that?
No, that's a moving average that I just added.
Okay. I was like, my VWAP's way down.
You stream?
What?
You stream?
Yeah, I'm streaming. Yeah.
My
You don't want this?
like a 19.
No, I can do it. It's okay. Okay.
Oh, you're gonna ask it, but you can ask him there. Yeah. All right. So what do we do? Do you have the order book, Matt? Because I'm trying this new broker out, and they don't have the order book option, or at least I don't know how to get it yet. So
Yeah, it's not order book.
Which worker?
it's Apex Trader.
I put the gun on Sunday, bro. I'm gonna have the open book.
Yeah, I'm trying Apex. They had a super cheap,
I just paid $16 to do the test.
You know what?
$6.
No, 16.
Oh,
And I'm doing You good, you know?
Yeah.
I don't want to trade these. I don't want to trade anything trading again. I'm waiting for Predators. But they don't have the. I pass an email. They don't have the. You need to pay like the full price for the all their tools. It's gonna go down, bro. Yeah, it's going down.
Yep. It's going to take out the liquidity and push down farther.
You should get.
Mm. I keep getting the worst nerve pain today and yesterday. It fucking hurts.
You know.
Mm-hmm. You got to head out. You have work.
You woke up early to 7:10, but come on.
I'll be awake. Sometimes what happens is my phone is facing. I just think call me because my phone sometimes is facing down and I don't see it. I don't like the way that's looking right there. But I would be targeting down here.
Yeah, I just took that trade with you, so.
It's unlikely that this right here holds. Unlikely, but it's possible. But because the way I'm looking at it is this is kind of like this, and this is going to break, I think. Damon.
Yeah, I literally just did that same trade. I was kind of looking at it too. I was waiting for it to cross. Look at that, dude.
Yep, I knew it.
Look at that.
I think it's going to continue to push down, but it's just going to like absorb some of the displacement that occurred in these three candles because the price moved swiftly here and soaked this back up. But here's where I guess you were saying maybe the divergence you were talking about, maybe.
Well, yeah, a little bit. I thought it was going to kind of start going in a different direction, but
I think we're going to see divergence right here, and this is where you're going to want this will be where the best trade happens. If it does, if this closes below here, or like equal to it, whatever, and this is below it, then you're going to want to short the NQ,
yeah.
which it looks like it's going to do.
I mean, I'm happy either way. So. I'm up on the day, so I don't have to make it if I don't have to do it unless it's a really good setup.
That's the way it is.
Like that trade I did I mean I did just like you 2 contracts. I wasn't like super excited about it, so I had really quick, like a really tight stop loss, but it worked out.
See if this divergence actually happens here. I'm a little bit skeptical about it just since this candle is still so green, but we'll see. Oh god, the ES is just pumping now. Come back down a little bit to daddy. Nope.
Pre-market was so choppy. Like
Yeah.
usually I can take a couple of trades on the pre-market, like right when the New York session hits, and I mean it was just super. Like you can look, I mean you can look at it like huge, like huge volume, but it was a weird time. It was like 7 or it was like 8:10. It was weird. 8:15.
Double top formed here. The liquidity above this was grabbed by these. Really hoping to see that move down now. That's what would be expected. But of course,
It's not my entry.
it's
This is not my entry. I believe you.
yeah.
I believe you, but
Thanks for the support.
this is
Thanks for
not
the support.
There you go. Yeah, I totally believe you, but it's not my entry.
Good.
Nice, dude. Get it, dude. That's awesome.
Love it to just move a little bit more. Here we go. We've got probably like one more candle more worth of juice left, I'd say. Come on. You know what? Just because I was in the red and now I'm in the green on that, I'm going to take my profits and not be stupid.
So what were you making fun of Patrick about? The indicators? Or not making fun?
His screen had like literally 100 indicators on it. Like just there was literally lines going across it everywhere. It almost like had to be a joke. I feel like there's no way someone can actually like trade like that.
So I really like the one trader I like is that Umar Yusuf or Yusuf Omar or whatever his name is. I think he's pretty legit. Like every time he shows his stuff, he literally has like bare minimum indicators, and he actually promotes like no indicators.
Yeah, I try not to use many, as you can see. Like sometimes I'll have a few up, or I'll like just flip them on and off just to see if like if it shows me something that I'm not catching with my eye, and then I'll go back and check it, like be like, okay, is this for sure? Because a lot of times the indicators are wrong. But yeah, kind of where I'm at with it. I don't really personally love them.
Yeah,
I don't love them.
I mean I like personally I like the breakout, like not the breakout but the trend lines. Although they're not perfect, they do kind of give you an idea. And I'm not even like I did like the ultimate RSI pretty well, but I'm still not finding that like great.
Dude, there's this strategy. I'm telling you, the best strategy in trading is, you're gonna like laugh when I say this, but it's the truth. Just buy low, sell high, and like just take everything else out of it.
What'd you say? Sorry.
Literally, just buy low, sell high, and just take everything else out of it. And it sounds dumb as fuck to say that because like that's obvious. You would imagine, you would think, but it's not. It's not. You'd have to simplify that. The fuck. SMT is always stronger on higher time frames. FYI, like you're only going to get a couple moves out of it because usually these charts they move in sync. So if they're disjointed, it's usually only for a few minutes. Looks like liquidity was dumped right in here. Longs use this as exit liquidity. Yeah, that's what these are. That's basically what they are. Like this would have been an old demand zone, flip to supply. This is a supply zone. Here, see, look at this. Boom. What did I say? There's your like continued SMT divergence there, and now we're back into this. And what did I say about this? It's going to get filled. I did done said it. Now we are in a demand zone now. So we're in a demand zone, and we're at the bottom of this price array, which is also our 15-minute range. So we could bounce and then take these out. This liquidity's been pretty exhausted here, honestly. So I think we made I literally at the beginning of the market I said we're gonna hit this zone and then we're gonna go back up. That's what I originally said. I don't know if you were recording or what, but for whatever purpose, this is liquidity. Cool, great. Well, in that case, very easy here. So like basically we're looking at either a bounce to occur here. We're in this now. We're looking for a bounce to occur in here. And for the NQ, it could happen here. Uh, I do think that the NQ is going to come a little farther down though, but we'll see. Any of this is acceptable for like a bounce area, honestly. And the NQ actually just may not even touch the view up since it's kind of been getting higher, like highs here. Like this was such a higher high than here, so then this low may. Wow, would you look at that? If you look at the market too, it's kind of like a pretty basic power of three here. You have your open, your consolidation below open, manipulation. You have a breaker block right here set up, and this is always like a classic bottom. Like you should note that right here. This is always like an indication of like reversal. So always. So like then you have that. You have your expansion here. See if it continues to expand. If it does, it's pretty classic power three. And look at this, fell right back into that opening range, dude. Oh. I should have waited a little longer. Son of a bitch. Let it soak up more of that, honestly. Look, we're also in this fair value gap right here, Matt. This is also a demand zone. Like all of this, even right here, is just all like big area for it to reverse. Look at that. Ooh. Just get out really quick and wait. Let them flatten themselves more. Well, that's if there's orders above it, that's where it's going to go. The market goes where there's orders, you know. Yeah, so it's probably going to continue to pull into this area before it releases and like really lets go. But I think, see this green candle right here? I'd like to see it not get taken out. That would be a nice sign. This big guy, they should coil up in it, inside of it, in between here and in between here, and go up. But it's not looking good. So, like we still got. I mean, the we're still in the 15-minute opening range on the Nasdaq. Yeah, it's the bottom of this. Ooh, look at this, just major sell off. So it's going to go back into the opening range on both of the candle on both charts here. Actually, yeah, we're in this liquidity right here, so very possible. Look at this reversal in this sell side liquidity. What is it? Let me get rid of one of these because I think it's only a 5. What is it called? What is it? Volume order book? I wonder if I can like. It was actually pretty good. Is this like at this actual price though? I just don't. So like, what does it say on your order book? Ooh. Hold on 1 second. Let me fix this. Um, on which? On the S&P. So you said on the S&P what? You have what? Oh, this is actually pretty helpful, dude. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, this is pretty good actually, to be honest. It sure ain't bad, I'll tell you that. I mean, you can clearly tell, although the liquidity is down here, that there's a gap, there's a void of liquidity here, and then liquidity up here. Oh, fuck. Oh, oh,
What'd you do?
oh my god. Nothing, just nerve pain.
Oh, sorry.
Mm. Hurts so. Oh, oh, fuck. Yeah, it's just like, you can't do anything about it. It just happens. See, so yeah, I mean, look, it's showing that like a lot of orders got put in here. There's, it's not like the same as the order book, but it's definitely useful, helpful. Doesn't totally suck. I mean, you can kind of tuck it away anyway like that. I'm not worried about it.
Yeah, I was trying to find.
Yes,
I was trying to find
all the big
volume,
orders are over
volume
there.
profile that, where the bars are on the side. Um,
Yeah,
and I came across that, and I was like, oh, this is actually decent.
it's tough.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
That happened to me.
Motherfucker. Where? Like this? Well, it should push through it. It should like literally go straight through it and go up to there. But it looks like it didn't have enough to like actually. And that's the thing. I'm kind of trying to figure this out as we go. So, but based off of what I know, it looks like we've got just no orders there, and then the orders are up here. So like these buyers, like they want to meet. They need to meet these people so they can sell to them. So, and that's where the liquidity is. This is a supply zone. Supply meaning this is where the product is, right? So like buyers go to the market. They go here to buy products. So they're going to bring the market here and they're going to sell their market to the sellers, which are buyers at that moment, and then the sellers that are waiting that have something like that have stop losses that already have the product are gonna their stop losses are gonna get taken. That's if this thing is like actually right and I'm interpreting it properly. This just looks like it's a real troubled zone for the home team here. Very, very bullish structure though. Bullish structure. My initial bias was that we would enter this zone. I thought we'd come farther down here on the NQ, but this is showing that we might not. And then I expected us to come and take these areas out, and I think come up to here would be real nice. Come on, damn, dude, squeeze up. Are you serious? What the fuck? What am I up for the day? it could need to like maybe grab some more liquidity, but I don't think so. Like it's just we'll see. It's really getting squeezed right now. It doesn't know what it wants to do. It may fall down some more and before it finds its way up. It's not looking like it's gonna push right here. Really thought it would have pushed through this and taking that liquidity up there. And on here, I mean, there's like no liquidity down here on the ES. It's all above it. So that's what's really confusing. This shows like all the liquidity up here. This shows very little down here. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Try and let. Come on, just come back up so I can close this. Not take this dumb loss. All right, look at now. Now, does it want to just turn around now? I'll take it. Hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. I want to know why this is like this though, because it's not like actually right on it. You know what I'm saying? See, it's like down here. So like actually, what price? Like what price is this actually showing? Maybe I am. Hold on. Oh my god. I just wanted to push back up so I can get out at this point, or reverse. Like it's a wild son of a bitch. I guess that's showing where the biggest order is, maybe. Fucking A. Oh my god, alright. Fuck that. So I was up 2,000 and that just fucked me. Where are we going though? I'm super confused by this actually now. I don't know.
Yeah, I could never really like understand it. Like I was wondering if it's like, see now it's dropping.
I'm trying to understand. I don't know where this is. I'm not sure. If this is supposed to be pinned, but the thing is, there's like 6 prices in this, so I don't really know. What if I do like one row? What happens? Okay, that's not what we want. But it keeps moving if you do one row. What?
Upstairs. I think it's upstairs. I don't have it. I don't need it.
I want the outfit, Mama. Mommy, I want the outfit.
I don't even use it. I'm telling you, it's upstairs. You had the iPad plugged into it. Next to the map.
Here's the reversal. I'm very confident in it. Very confident.
Hey, very fucking right.
I am doing something right now. What's going on?
Here we go.
I'm streaming and I'm trading right. What's up? Okay. You know Jimmy, Matt? That was Jimmy. That was Jimmy. I'm just gonna try and climb this back. Big 0 loss. Sorry. Well, there's that big play that I was telling you. It's going to reverse and go up. Fuck you. I was sitting here dealing with Jimmy's bullshit. Jimmy, he bought some flights like a couple weeks ago for some of my friends, but like he didn't buy the return flights, and he said that he did. So then, like, they were trying to check in for their flight. I hadn't paid him yet. I was going to pay him the next day because he uses like miles or whatever to get him, so it wasn't really a big deal. And I was super busy with an event. And then basically he, well, what the fuck just happened? Oh, so it's showing liquidity's up. So it's worse. It's worse. It's actually pretty good. Isn't too bad. Nice. I mean, you have to be passing these tests. Nice. Yeah, I called this, and there's a perfect bounce off the VWAP. Here, it just dipped below this sell side liquidity here. And nice. So I would expect us to get into this area and fall. So I'm waiting for a pullback, and I think I'm going to try to go long on this since I missed that.
I'm doing it on my phone because we get better quality on the video if my screen is full.
Yeah, I mean, if you're just looking at my screen, your phone's pretty the same thing. There's no, really.
Now I understand. There was
Oh yeah, so Jimmy bought some flights for my friends, and then whatchamacallit, he never bought the return flights, and like my friends were trying to check into their flight at like 6 a.m. and it wasn't working, so they freaked out and they were like, "What the fuck?" So I had to buy them flights last minute that were like $600. So then Jimmy wants me to pay him back for the initial flights, because they did take the flights here from him. But I'm like, bro, like you fucking caused all this. Not like I had to pay 600. Like he had to use points to buy the flights. So it didn't even cost. It didn't cost him actually $400. You know what I mean? It cost him like $80 or whatever.
And I'm glad I exited where I did.
Yeah, well, I mean, look, it was heading towards the top of that range.
Yeah.
You always want to be.
And there was some liquidity right there. I had a thing drawn out right there. It works. Well, I'm done. I'm done. I won't be doing it no more.
I want to try to get back some of what I lost, which is not what I should do, but I am still up for the day. Like overall, I just opened this account and I'm still up. I wanted to pass it in one day.
I was looking at Top Step because they were running a special, and
I've used them. They just, for some reason with them, I don't know what the fuck it is, bro. I can't stay connected to them. Like when I'm trading, literally like every minute it makes me log back in, and it's very frustrating when you're trading, obviously.
yeah,
I don't know what it is. I literally bought a whole new internet package and everything because of them, thinking it was like my shit.
I think what I initially
Fuck, I want to enter this, but I'm taking a dab.
you might still be able to get it on the S&P when it breaks that previous.
What? Oh, the bubbles.
Yeah.
There we go.
The NASDAQ, man, God, it took off. What I'd like to do is I'd like to get better at like holding trades, because like if I held that trade for like a minute and a half.
The thing here's the thing, motherfucker. I got in this just a little too late. Here's the thing about holding trades. If you're making money, you never know. Like you never know. You just never know. Something could literally turn around. So it's like I always literally just say take your money and run. Like literally, and that's the best traders. That's what they do. They don't like the ones that show big ass trades. They get those once in a while. A lot of times they're either on simulated accounts. They're fake. Like because people really don't like, bro. When you have that much money on the line, you're not holding that shit that long, bro. I'm telling you, because I trade with real money too, and like it's hard. It's fucking. If you think you don't have a funded account yet, right? Like you're not trading on funded yet.
I know, I'm on an elite account, so I guess I got to get to the one. I got to get to the 103.1 before it's right.
Yeah, but I mean, either way. So, but right now you're trading with like it. Like the emotion is totally different already, even for you. I'm sure. Like it's just you probably notice it. God damn, I'm just getting wrecked right now.
I'm a lot more timid. Like I feel like I would have probably. I probably would have held it, but it's like why? Because it was at $1,000. So why would I hold it? You know.
That's what I mean, bro. If that's real money, like, wouldn't you be fine with that? The only reason you're holding it longer is because it's not money that's in your bank account. Like, if you actually saw that hit your bank account, you would grab that and run. That's what you have to think. Like, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
Like, if you saw that going into your bank account as it was, like, if it was live going into your Wells Fargo and you could, like, you see what I'm saying? You would literally be pulling out way faster.
Yeah, I was trying at one point. I was gonna start like
Fuck
letting
me,
this
man.
hold for like 3 or 4 minutes, but it's like I'm just not there. I just want to keep it.
It looks like the liquidity was really right here. I think
Because I
dumps
think about
that.
it, and I'm like, if I would have, because I entered it on the quick on the squares or whatever I don't know what it is, but if I would have done it like with a take profit, I would have take profit at 1,000 just like that. So that's why. Alright.
Oh, that looks gorgeous.
Yeah, my count's at 101, 101,460. So I'm up. Yeah, I'm up 1,400 for today, so I'll take it. Like you said, like if there's no point in me even continuing. I got 15 trading days anyways, so before I can even take out $2,000. So
Yeah, you got to think of it as it's 15 days to lose.
yeah,
You know? I really want to get back in this trade. Like, I know it's going to go up like I knew before, and I just, of course, wasn't in it at the right time. It's just pissing me off now.
man, that's crazy though. If you look at that order block thing, all that look from the NQ, all that void down there from that pump.
Mm-hmm. So that's where it's got to go back. And look, this is where the fair value gap is. See that?
Mm-hmm.
So expect it to pull into that. It's showing this is where liquidity, the biggest amount of liquidity is. So it could even go all the way down to there.
S&P.
Look at her go.
Huh.
And well, look at this. This is interesting. So you've got this big amount of SMT divergence right here, between here and here. Like, see this?
Yeah.
And this, it didn't grab the liquidity. So let's see how that plays out. That being said, you would want to short this, okay? Which it would be obviously, but they're both. Thing is we want it to catch here. Back in this opening range, market's making really interesting kind of just all over the place. You know, this could be the what's it called? 3 drives pattern. 1, 2, 3, kind of, and then you've got the drive up. And then this is where you want to usually enter your sell. This is literally what the 3 drives pattern is. Happens a lot. Here, let me pull this over. Can you see? Can you see this right here?
Yeah. Yep.
So like here's your 3 drives down here. 1, 2, 3. Made support down here. Pushed up. And then you would enter here, which is right there, which is literally where it's fucking tanking from.
Looks like a Head and Shoulders too up there. So maybe it will.
Kind of is, yeah. At this point now, I mean, if we break this, then we're probably going to break the downside and take out the previous day's low at this rate. Completely revert down.
Did you trade yesterday?
No.
Was it yesterday or Monday? The Dow was down like 400 ticks or something crazy.
I think it was yesterday, yeah. Where's the list? This is still liquidity. Where did this thing just go on this? Just gone on both of them. Oh, does it only work on the 1 minute?
I think you have it set, yeah. I mean, I think it works on the other ones too, but I think you have to set your
No.
limit for it.
No, look. Where do you see that?
Under visibility. See, it should have it on the day, but yeah, it should. I don't know.
So we've got liquidity again here. If we make higher low, you know, then we could be switching to the upside again. I'm like freezing fucking cold. There's really like so much more liquidity up here.
I said, let me see if this thing falls. There, it's starting to go now.
I think we're gonna come here and then go up. I think we're gonna make a little low and then come up. If this is what this means, then that needs to get grabbed.
Yeah, just barely touched that. There it goes. Once it breaks this, I think I mean, it's gonna shoot. There it goes.
What's happening? Okay, looks like we're gonna take out lows now. Telling you we're gonna get stopped right here. There's no liquidity down here. I'm gonna stop right in this area.
So the next block above this one has like hardly any liquidity in it, or hardly any sales. Oh, never mind. There's a bunch of them just popped in.
Well, here's the. I did say I think it's going to do this. I said I think it's going to push down a little bit more, come into this area, and then push up. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe. Now there's very little liquidity up here. Dude, this thing is kind of, I don't know. This thing's showing liquidity here on the ES with like a big amount of liquidity right here, which that makes total sense because if you look, this is where this fell off. And that's where all the orders are just waiting. So the price should come back up to there, right? And then, but here though, it's showing that like we're in the liquidity, like we're in it. So I'm a little confused, but I do kind of like this. I just don't know like how much I would rely on it. Because like I was saying, like right now, based off this, I would expect the ES to be turning around. Because like the market is like, oh, there's not a lot of people down there. Like I don't really want to go down there. Market water looks a lot warmer up here. Gap down here, but it's just like I expect the market to come up here, take this, and then fill that gap with this.
Of course, we're in the 11 o'clock hour too, which
It was lunch.
the overlap's done.
See if it wants to. If it wants to go for this liquidity one more time, I don't think so. I think it took so much. I think we're turning around, dude. I really do.
I'm just looking for that confirmation.
Mm-hmm. This is a good indication of that. There it is. Boom, told you. I just said this doji right here, this little dragonfly. Whatever you want to call it. No, I usually don't like to buy candles like this, but I know the way I've been trading today, if I wait, I'm going to be late. Which now, of course, it's going to be the total opposite. Yeah. Mm-hmm. If you don't push right now, you fucking bitch. Oh my god, are you serious? We're really doing this? Are we really fucking doing this? It's funny, I called the pump, and then I'm gonna get in it. Literally, it's just like too late. Come on. Yes, you want to do it. You do.
5 contracts though. Shit.
It's just not moving from here.
Oh, I was on the NQ, so
Oh my god. Fucking whore. You fucking whore.
it's gonna.
No, it's gonna push up just right when I got out of it. Literally. This next candle is gonna be the mover.
I haven't heard from O'Kinwall.
He was messaging me actually, fuck.
This is it, man. This is reversal.
Oh my god, I was just texting. Son of a bitch. I missed. Oh.
Well, you got a little drawback on the NQ.
No. This is just be careful. This is where the liquidity could flip. But if we base here and create support, then we're taking this out and all this out.
Yeah, based on my strategy that I've been using, this is about where I would probably enter here in the next candle. I'd wait for a little drawback and then I'd enter based on my strategy, but I'm not doing it because I'm already up.
This doji just makes me concerned, and because of this right here, looks like we like got into it and we're gonna come back down from it, and we're in this void, so the liquidity has been taken up there.
Yeah, and it's one of those things like you can use your strategy if it hits 50% of the time, or 60% of the time.
Yeah, if it hits, listen, if something works 50% of the time and you're taking a 2-to-1 win to loss ratio, you'll be making money.
Exactly. Yeah. Like if you're doing like I've been doing 250 to 500 usually. It depends on the strength. Sometimes I'll pull up my take profit, and I'll put my stop loss above my entry, so at least I'm guaranteed in the money. But it's that trailing drawdown drives me nuts.
This is really important right here. If it falls here, we're going down. If it holds here, we're going up. This is like basically the moment. This is the day. There's your 3 thing, and if we look at this and we say it's the 3 drives, then we should be expecting a downward move. Now, if we look at this and see power of 3, which is consolidation, manipulation, expansion, then we should see more expansion. Looks like it wants to. Just wait for it, though. Make sure it gets through this. It doesn't just take it and go down. You don't want it to be a draw on liquidity. You want it to be a liquidity raid, like this. Today is my 1 year of my accident.
Oh wow, it's already been a year.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And there's that. So like I said, we should be taking this out if we go to the high end here. I want to see it make a low so I can enter like a lower high. This would have been great, honestly. We also have this right here. This is definitely like liquidity. So this should be support now. Oh, what the fuck? I'm so cold. I don't know why. Oh wait, this might be the pullback I wanted. What was that noise?
It's
Oh my god.
Sorry, my
Mm-mm. Not you. It's something here. All right. So let's see.
I gotta look. I think so. Since I'm an elite account, I have to go back to 106, and that puts my trailing, or then my stop, my drawdown stops at 103.
Wait, say that. Hold on. Say that again.
So now that I have the elite account, I have to get to 106 again.
No, 103.
Okay. Because I thought my drawdown, or my, I'll have to look. I think my drawdown has to go back to 1. Anyways, I'm really close to that, so that's good. I'm just gonna take it easy. I can't believe these people.
What?
I just can't. It's like I don't understand why people aren't jumping all over this.
Because they don't want to actually trade. They just want to like gamble or do whatever it is that they're
They
doing.
just want to sit their crypto in. Holy cow!
What?
That pre-market.
I really want to take this. Let's see. Mhm. Burst on me now. Of course, I buy the bull flag, and it reverses. There we go. No, had I bought it with fire contract, it would have been great. Here, Matt. I'll do a longer holding one for you. I shouldn't be doing this considering down on the last couple of trades. I should be taking this money and run. But
I mean, that 500 with one contract. That's pretty solid. You know.
mhm.
But I mean, I think it's still good. Are you going to try to make it up to the 252 mark? Or are you just going to try to make it to the high? What's the high?
Not sure yet. I'd like to see it run the highs and make new ones. I think it will.
I think it's going to break through the high. It's approaching it.
It really should. I already broke the high here, though. Let's see what the ES does. It seems like the ES is kind of leading. Oh, it's gonna push more now.
Mhm.
I'd love to see it base right here. Yeah, man. Hey, Jordan, what's up? Hey, can you hear me? What's up?
For that. So I just have a few things to do, and then I'll shoot you over an email with the that I need.
Do you want to just forward it to me really quick, or if you can? Yeah, just forward me the email. Yeah, I said just forward it to me. It's from Bullet, her agency. I know them very well, so
It's just it's been a pretty good learning.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna like take you off the email or anything.
I'll do those.
Sounds good, man. Sounds good. Uh, cool. Talk to you later. Can you hear me, man?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see if I have a referral code for Apex Trader since I just signed up today. I really need to do this and stop fucking. Um. So look how there's that liquidity. It's kind of showing you down there.
Sorry, I was texting him. Ken, I was just saying what was up. I like how you held that trade just for the views, didn't you?
Yeah.
I was, I was reading up on that guy that did the Wall Street bets thing, and how much like money he actually made on that was crazy. Something like $40 million, and now he's just disappeared. Alright, bro, I'm gonna get off here. I got some stuff to do.
All right. Sounds good. Here is. Oh, how do I do this? I'm getting this affiliate link. Sorry.
Oh, is that what you're doing? They sent to me. I'll look at Apex. The thing I liked about Top Step was they do a 5-day. You only have to wait 5 days for your first payout. But I haven't really.
Kind of, but yeah.
That's what they advertise. I don't know.
It's like it's 5 days, but you have to. It's like it's weird. It's like you've got to get. What is it? It's not quite. There's still rules. Like you have to. There's still other things. Like you have to have your balance at a certain amount and shit like that.
Yeah.
Like it's like you. So yeah, it's 5 days, but from a certain point, and they don't like make that as clear as I think they should. But I mean, it's still they all pretty much put it this way: you're not gonna get paid for the first month. Just always think of it that way.
Yeah.
Because no matter what, it's gonna take you 5 days to pass the test. Then probably gonna take you about 5 days to get your balance up right. Then it's gonna take you probably about 5 days to actually get the money you want to pull out. Then it's gonna take probably about 5 days to get you. You know what I'm saying? Like, and these are all business days. So by then it's the end of the month. So just figure out no matter what, it's gonna take you a month. So just always think that.
The thing I like about Elite is like it's a one-time activation, or you could do it monthly, but it's a one-time activation. Where
Yeah.
Step is like there's no I don't know if they offer a one-time activation. They might, but
They had a discount going on for a while, or they did something like that. But look at this. This is just back in
I honestly
liquidity, just poking at it.
I honestly have no reason to go through a different broker, like because
The thing is they're all the same once you pass, really. And honestly, like what it is it just becomes like which one is having a discount on, you know?
But like if Elite runs another discount, then I'll probably jump on another, $30 fast track or something, and then you can link them. So, but all right, man. I'll holler at you later. I want to at some point this evening. I'll get some clips together to post, but from today.